Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and this is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Liquid Lipstick. When I tell you this stuff is game changer when you get it in your own personal collection, this is in the shade 209, Captivated by Cerise.
This is one of the most beautiful coral colors I've seen. I absolutely love this color. The pigmentation, as you can see, is so heavy. Like the pigmentation is absolutely there. And what I love about this product is you apply the lipstick, let it dry a little bit, and then apply the balm. And as you can see, my lips were instantly taken from matte to shine. And that basically seals in the color. And you will be set all day long. It is transfer proof and truly lasts like for so long. You'll see a little bit comes off on my hand with this swatch, which if you've used any kind of liquid lipstick, you know that test can show you what you need to know. So I love this product. It doesn't dry out my lips and it will last all day long. And the color especially is really beautiful, as you can see, and I just absolutely love it.
So if you are someone who loves a good coral color, then this is definitely a lipstick I highly recommend you check out, and that is my point of view.